Kamsa, as soon as he heard that the child was born, he rushed to Vasudev's house. So apparently, also here in this chapter 4, it says that Vasudeva and Devaki were living in their own palace, being under house arrest of King Kamsa and surrounded by 10,000 soldiers, as told in Garga Samhita. So Krishna was not actually born in the prison house of Kamsa, or at least maybe he was, at least the Bhagavatam says that, but it was like a prison situation because he was under house arrest. His house or palace became like a prison because he couldn't run away or go anywhere, but he could move freely within the house. But his house or palace was surrounded by 10,000 soldiers or guards of King Kamsa. Text 29, chapter 4 says, Tachchutva tvarita kamso rakshibi sahavegibi ajagama grihadwaram vasudevasya viryavan. As mighty Kamsa heard of the birth of the child, he rushed to Vasudev's house, Grihadwaram, along with his guards to see with his own eyes. Text 30. Satatra twaritam dwari kim jatami chabravit diyatam shigram ityevam vagbi samabitar jayat. Upon arriving at the Dwara, the gate of Vasudev's residence, Kamsa anxiously inquired, "What kind of child has taken birth? Hand him over to me immediately." The ladies who had gathered at Devaki's house, this is text 31, Tato ha ha krita sarva Devaki bhavane striya. This is Devaki bhavan. Devaki bhavan doesn't mean prison. It means her personal house or palace. Uvacha Devaki Dina Vashpa Gadgadaya Gira. All the ladies gathered at Devaki Bhavan began to lament and cry,